Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the BEZGAR TD141 remote control crawler. Let's get into it. Let me show you everything that comes into the box. It's obviously very self-explanatory, but this is cool. Love it. Get the remote, get a little screwdriver, battery, cord for charging, user manual. So everything that you see is what comes in the box. All right, let me try to give you a little bit closer views of the crawler. This thing is cool looking. You will need two AA batteries, and it comes with a little screwdriver to open the door, and it also comes with some extra screws because we all lose those little screws, don't we? To install the battery in the RC car, you simply remove the bottom cover. It's got two screws, and you just use the provided screwdriver. To charge the battery pack, you simply plug in the provided USB cord to the battery pack. You'll get a red indicator charging light on the USB part, and when it's charged, the red light will go off. All right, this is a cool car from BEZGAR. That's an awesome little remote four-wheel drive car, easy to operate. This will be going as a gift to my grandsons. I think they will love it. It'll be easy for them to operate, and they should have hours and hours of fun. So if you're looking at this remote RC car, I hope you found this video helpful.